Hi and welcome back. So, someone decided to make a package in Python called COVID, and it helps us to get real time total active cases, total confirmed cases, total recovered cases, and total deaths. So, I thought this was very interesting and wanted to share it with you. So, we have to first install COVID. So, and it's like installing a virus. So we're going to install a virus. Pip install minus minus user COVID. And well, I have already installed it, so that's why it says requirement already satisfied for me. But for you, it's going to install it successfully. Okay, so now we're going to import, from COVID, import COVID. Okay, and now we're going to create actually two functions. So the first one is going to calculate cases worldwide, and the other one by country. So COVID worldwide. So we're going to create an instance of this COVID class, and we're going to print the first total active cases, and here we're going to say COVID dot get total active cases. So that's the name of this method. And now we're going to print here. We're going to print total confirmed cases. So it's not the same. So here we're going to invoke this method get total confirmed cases. Then we're going to print total recovered cases. So here this method is called total recovered, and the last one is total deaths. And here we change with this one. Okay, so now we can simply invoke this function, COVID worldwide, and it's going to take its time because, well, I suppose it's scrapping some content in the web. And here we are. Total active cases, 2 million, almost 3 million. Total confirmed cases, more than, 5 million and a half almost. Total recovered cases, 2 million, 2,000 almost, and that's like 300,000 of deaths. So now we're going to define another function that is going to get the cases of your country. So COVID by country, and here we're going to pass the name of the country, and again we're going to create an instance of this class COVID cases, COVID dot get status by country, by country name. So we pass the name of the country here, and then we are going to get the data key cases key for key in cases dot keys, and we're going to get the confirmed cases, the active cases, the deaths, and the recovered cases. And well, we're going to print this dictionary here and see what happens. So let me see, this is going to be my country, which is Ecuador. So you pass the name of your country and wait for it. So as you can see, recovered 18,000 cases of recovered people, confirmed like 37,000 deaths, like 3,000, although I think this number is way higher, but that's okay, that's the official information. And active cases like 16,000. So let's see another country like Italy. and I'll wait for this to scrap the content. So here it is. So these are the numbers for Italy. So well, I hope you like this package. I think it's very interesting and very useful if you want to have your information up to date. So I hope you like this video and see you in the next one.